Hi everybody, and welcome to a HELM training video on how to use the HELM's website. My name is Joe Sykowitz, and I'm here with my colleague Eliana.
Hi, I'm Eliana from Flow, and I'll be showing you how to use the staff side of the HELM site.
And I'll be showing you how to use the public side. So we'll start with that. In order to access it, you're going to go to helmlib.org. Once you type in that URL, you're taken to the home page of the HELM site. Now on the public side, you're going to see the member libraries on the left, a scrolling library banner with pictures from each library on the right, as well as a map of all of our libraries down at the bottom. Up here at the top, you'll see a menu bar that gives you some different options for finding information. We have an option for libraries. That's really geared towards prospective members. So beneath that menu, you'll find links to member benefits, how to join HELM, information about the current migration, information on contacting Flow, as well as general information on the Koha ILS. To the right, you'll find information for borrowers that is geared towards our patrons. Beneath that, they can access the HELM catalog, the Commonwealth catalog, see our policies, and see information on contacting individual libraries. There's also a link that is labeled About. If you click on that, you'll get information about HELM. So you'll see who HELM is, what HELM's mission and vision are, as well as the history of the organization. I'm now going to turn it over to my colleague Eliana to talk about the staff side of things.
Okay, so we've just shown you how to use the public side of the HELM site. To get to the staff side, you're going to want to scroll down to the footer of the public side and click on Staff Login. This will typically prompt you to enter a password. This password is the same for all HELM libraries. It's HELM loves you, all lowercase. And when you finally get to the staff side, you're probably going to want to bookmark it so you don't have to constantly go to the public side to get to it. The staff side of the HELM site has two facets to it. There's the general side that's for all HELM staff, and then there are specific pages for the committees. We have an access services page, a RIOS page, and a tech services page. On the general side, you'll find meeting schedules, contact information, and important links. From the home page, you can access the HELM Help Desk, the catalog, the Koha manual, and get links to Zoom meetings. In the sidebar, if you click on Governance, you'll find policy information, bylaws, and the working group charges. There's also a link to HELM Share in the sidebar, which is a space for sharing tutorials, marketing tools, and other information that might be useful to your fellow HELM librarians. If you go to the Migration tab, you can find a hub for all sorts of information for currently migrating libraries, such as a migration calendar, training links, and data load information. As I said earlier, there are also specific pages for our committees. You can find these either in the sidebar on the left or in the footer. Let's take a look at the Access Services page. And in these committee pages, you'll find important contact information, and this is also a great place to find minutes and meeting recordings. There are also tabs in the sidebar for news about your committee, and also a discussion board area. This concludes the HELM site tutorial. Thank you for listening, and feel free to reach out to me or Joe if you have any questions.